Hey guys, Gaurav this side from Minis to Fit. So today we will be discussing about intensity. Like when you go to the gym, then duration does not matter, guys. What matters is how intensely you train. Intensity matters a lot. I give a protocol to my clients in which I tell them that as soon as you go to the gym, you need to imagine that the gym will go to fire, or there will be a bomb blast in the gym in 45 minutes. So that's how you need to have a sense of urgency when you go to the gym. And lift weights with proper intensity. Half-ass effort will not reap any benefits, because our aim when we go to the gym is to build muscle. Muscle is pivotal in the long run. It will help you anti-age. It will mimic the benefits of fat loss and afterburn effect. And for that thing, we need to train with intensity. Now, what do I mean when I say that we need to train with intensity? What I mean to say is that you need to lift heavy weights. There is no alternative to that. You cannot build muscle unless you give proper stimulus by lifting heavy weights. So as you can see here, while doing my dumbbell chest press routine, I am going predominantly heavy with 30 kg first, and I'm pushing myself to the limit. I'm giving 30 to 40 seconds of intense effort in that, in which I do around 12 to 13 reps, and I go full blown out in that. The benefit of that is that sort of training with intensity will trigger hormones like growth hormone and testosterone, which will mimic the effect of muscle building in my body and help me eventually in the long run for fat loss. Now you see in the second set again, I lift predominantly heavy, around 20 kg, and go full blown out till my muscles are fully tight. So I don't believe in repping only 12 reps or 10 reps. I go till the time my muscles are sore. So you need to figure that out for yourself and follow that. Now moving on to the next exercise. Next exercise is pretty taxing on the body, which I'm doing here. It's deadlift. So my deadlift max is around 180 kg, 175 kg. Here I'm lifting 90% of that, and again very intense, very heavy. And I'm doing 3 reps of that. And again my body is pushed to the limit, and I'm getting the benefits of growth hormone and other beneficial hormones, which keep me in proper shape throughout the time. And again I'm pushing at a predominantly heavy weight again, 130 kg, in which I'm again going for 14 to 15 reps, which for deadlift is pretty taxing for me. So guys, you need to train like that. In short, you need to train with intensity, and whenever you are in the gym, don't worry, you need to train with intensity. Next day you can take rest, you can take 2 days rest, allow your body to recover. But when you are in the gym, you need to push yourself to the limit. Time, duration does not matter. That kick should be there to your muscles, which will really affect your muscle gain. Yeah, that kick should be there to your muscle. So what do I mean when I say that kick should be there to your muscle? Exactly what I'm doing here. I'm lifting 160 kg, which is predominantly 90 kg of my maximum lifting capacity of 180 kg, and with that I'm attempting 3 reps, guys. And if you see, that lasted around 15 seconds. Now, when it lasts 15 seconds, if you have seen my previous videos, and the ATP PCR system kicks in, and in 15 seconds my creatine stores are exhausted, and then what I do is, like an intelligent lifter, I rest for around 2 to 3 minutes. And the beauty of this thing is, when I'm lifting 90% of my maximum capacity for 15 seconds, and I'm not using my glycogen stores, because anaerobic glycolysis is still not kicking in. When I'm taking 2-3 minutes of rest and attempting 130 kg of sub-maximal intensity, then now I'm kicking my glycogen stores, and again pushing myself to the limit with this. Getting like 15 reps done, now I'm exhausting my glycogen stores for the good though. I'm not wasting my glycogen stores by running. I'm utilizing them by lifting again around 70 to 60% of my maximum capacity, and then reaping the benefits of growth hormone and testosterone. And then gaining some big ass muscles. Yeah. For more tips and proper diet plan and nutrition plan and exercise plan, you follow our channel and DM us.